African swine fever, or ASF, is a serious pig disease that's killing pigs in Papua New Guinea. ASF is not caused by sangoma. The entire highlands region is considered the infected zone. Movement of pigs out of the highlands is not allowed. There is no medical treatment to cure or prevent ASF. But we can all help eliminate ASF by not moving live or dead pigs out of the highlands area, not carrying pork or pork products when you travel from infected areas, separate new pigs 10 meters from your piggery for 10 to 14 days and only introducing them if they remain healthy, cleaning pig pens and dish regularly and before adding new pigs to the pen, feeding pigs clean foods including formulated stock feed and not food containing pork. Look out for your pigs being unwell and call Nakia on 180-1332 or your local authorities to report sick or dead pigs or for more information.
Authorized by the National Agriculture Quarantine and Inspection Authority.